Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can transfer all the photos from your iPhone to Google Photo. Please subscribe to our channel, write your comments, don't forget to put likes. And let's get started. And in order to transfer your photos from your iPhone gallery to Google Photo, you'll need to first open Safari on your iPhone. And then in the search box, you'll need to type privacy.apple.com. And after you do that, first you will be asked to have your identity verified. To do that, you'll need to either enter your Apple ID password, your iCloud password, or you'll just need to enter your phone password, if you have one. Once you've done that, you'll be taken to a page like this, and then you'll need to select the second section, which is transferring a copy of your data. And you need to click on the blue line at the bottom of that section. And so that will copy your data, count your data in your entire media files all. It takes usually up to 10 seconds. And then you'll be able to see a window like this. You might have a specific number of photos and videos that you have on your iPhone gallery. And then further down at the bottom, you might also have another window that asks you where you would like to transfer those photos to. And you can choose Google Photo. And then you just have to click Next. And Google Photo will do everything for you. It'll transfer all your iPhone photos to itself. That's it, folks. That's how you will be able to transfer all your photos from your iPhone to Google Photo. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write your comments, and see you soon.